In this video, you'll learn how to create custom bullet points in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your web design with unique bullet points that suit your style and needs. Start by navigating to the Webflow website. In your web browser, enter the URL for Shangri-La's Dandy site. Once the page loads, you will see the Webflow interface, which includes various design elements and options. Next, locate the Add Elements button on the left side of the screen. This button is typically represented by a plus sign and allows you to insert various components into your project. Click on this button to reveal the Elements menu. After that, find and select the Elements section within the menu. This section contains all the available components you can use. Clicking on Elements will display a list of options for you to choose from. Once this appears, look for the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Click on the search bar to activate it, allowing you to type in specific components quickly. Type in the word list in the search bar and press enter on your keyboard. The interface will filter the elements and display options related to lists. This helps you to find what you need without scrolling through all available elements. Click on the list option that appears in the search results. This action will add a standard list element to your project. You will see it appear on your design canvas, ready for customization. Now, return to the Add Elements button and click it again. This will reopen the Elements menu. You will use this to add text to your list. Type in your desired text in the text field that appears and drag it over to the list you just created. Position the text within the list to establish it as a bullet point. Ensure the text is clearly visible and fits well within the list structure. Next, you can repeat the process of adding additional items by typing in more text and dragging it to the list. This allows you to create multiple custom bullet points, tailoring your list to your specific needs and preferences. As you create your list, remember to consider the overall design and layout of your web page. Custom bullet points can enhance readability, so ensure they align well with your site's aesthetic. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.